Hi guys, this is me Sharon and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you some of the yarns that I have collected all these years since I started crocheting in 2014. So since then, whenever I have time, I go to the market in Baguio City, and that's where I found all of these great finds and bought them at a very cheap price in there. So I thought maybe it would be great to show you some of the yarns that you can find in our country. Hope you like this video. So these ones are called Korean drop yarns, and they do not come in labels. And when I asked the vendor about what kind of yarn are these, and then he just said it's a Korean drop yarn. And this is sold per kilo. And I have used it in some of my projects. I will show the picture of it. The texture is very soft to the touch. Sometimes it's a little bit slippery, and this one is shiny and has different colors twisted into one strand. And I'm trying to look for the end of this yarn. So I'm not sure if it's a wool or not. You may comment down below if you think this is a wool, because in my country I have only used two kinds, acrylic and cotton, and I've never tried other kinds like wool, so I don't really know if this is a kind of wool. But just focus the camera here. So when I use this in other projects like bags, yeah, I can easily pull it, like in this case. Yeah, but I couldn't. But in the other one, I tried pulling it apart, and it would look like cotton being pulled apart. But this one is much stronger than the other color that I have chosen. I used to have 4 cakes of these, so I have used up the other one, same color as this, and then the other 2. So the other 2 cakes, I turned them into a bag, and I'm gonna show you in the screen which project I am talking about. Now I have 2 more remaining drop yarns in solid colors. So this one is maybe a blue and navy blue. So I'm still thinking of what project I can use this with, and up until now I am still, wondering what kind of yarn is this. I really don't know. So if you know, please do comment down below. So I have 3 of this. And then there are another kinds of yarn that I got interested in, and these are the ones that are really, really soft to the touch. It's really fuzzy, and when you see the strands, it's looking like this. And I thought of, making an amigurumi, maybe a bunny or a bunny purse. I am still thinking of project that I can make with these kinds of yarn. So I have 2 cakes, and yeah, I'm still thinking about what to do with it because I don't want to waste it. It's very soft and I love it. I think it would really make a great amigurumi. And I have another one. It's not as soft as this two cakes here. This one is a bit rough but not very. The strand is like this. It's also soft but not very soft. Out of all the yarn that I bought, this is the most expensive one. It's a feather yarn and it's about 90 grams. I still don't know what project to make with this kind, and it's slippery and furry and soft at the same time. And this one is really very pretty. It's in loop, and this is what it looks like. And I'm not really sure what kind of yarn is this. All I know is that there are loops in it, and yeah, maybe this would make a great purse project. I'm not really sure, but I love the combination of colors. And this is the last cake that I've seen in there. And I have another one in fuzzy, very soft to the touch kind of yarn that is similar to the light blue ones that I've showed you earlier. So I also have those kind in black. This one, I have used it in some of my projects, like when I made a shawl, and it's a bit shiny. I like the colors. It's in burgundy and it has the stripes of colors and they're shiny at the same time, and I love the combination of colors. It's a little bit rough to the touch, but it's really a very nice kind of project, especially when you're going to make a shawl out of this, because it will really keep you warm. This one is undescribable. It is really beautiful. I love the gold color in it, and it's shining. And when you look at the strands, it has these bumps in between. And I just don't know what kind it is, if it's an acrylic or cotton, but I am excited to make a project using this kind of yarn. Those are the yarns that you will rarely find there, because some of them were already out of stock, and I don't know if they have already replenished these stocks. And for as long as I know, some of those yarns are in excess to the factory where yarns are made, and then the excess ones, they would try to sell them to those yarn vendors at the Hangar market. So just in case you would like to go there, hopefully you'll be able to find some of the variegated yarns or novelty yarns that are cheaper than the ones that you can buy online. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.